Hi everyone, my name is Rafael Lazaro and I am an employment lawyer based in Chicago, Illinois, and I am the owner of Lazaro Law Group. My law firm has received several calls from civil servants that work for the federal government asking us for advice concerning what to do in their current situation based on everything that's going on with Elon Musk and the purging of the government. So I thought that I would make a short video, kind of outlining three main laws that I think protect civil servants. And here we go. Law number one is the Civil Service Reform Act. The Civil Service Reform Act, what it does is that it specifically provides for due process for civil servants that work for the federal government. What is due process? Due process means that they gotta give you notice of an action that's being taken against you, whether it's termination, administrative leave without pay, suspension without pay, demotion. They gotta give you notice, number one. Number two, you have a right to defend yourself and put your side of the story out there. And number three, most importantly, you have a right to appeal. And you can appeal that to the U.S. Office of Special Counsel. So that's law number one. Law number two is the Whistleblower Protection Act. What this law does is that it protects civil servants who have a reasonable suspicion that they have observed or know of some illegal activity going on in their agency. What are some examples of potential illegal activity that I can reasonably suspect as a civil servant? Mass layoffs without due process could be illegal, right? Or any basis. Or somebody who is trying to gain access to sensitive materials, documents, and that person is not authorized. So that person, that civil servant, can complain. And the law would provide protection. Work on that person's complaint to your agency's inspector general. Again, you can complain to the U.S. Office of Special Counsel. Number three, very importantly, to congressional office oversight committees. You can complain to Congress. Once you complain, the law provides you with protection because they cannot fire you based on that complaint. And number three, and very importantly, last but not least, is the Hatch Act. The Hatch Act, what the Hatch Act basically says is that you cannot be punished because of your political beliefs. That means that they can't fire you, suspend you, put you in administrative leave, or suspend you without pay because you oppose somebody's politics or oppose a political agenda that you are not in agreement with. Okay? So those are the three main laws that I wanted to talk about. You know, civil servants, there are protections out there, and there are good lawyers out there that would be willing to help you. So you are not powerless. Okay? Hope everybody enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.